Hello little scientists, welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. Have you ever seen how the light travels? Well, we all have heard that the light travels in a straight line. But do you want to see the path of light? Let's perform a small activity to know all about it. From the IntelliSmart box, take out the Properties of Light Activity Kit. You will need the laser light and dhoop batti from the kit. You will also need a matchbox from your home. In order to observe the best results, we should perform this experiment in a dark room or at night. Switch on the laser light and project it on the wall. Can you see the red spot on the wall? Yes, all of us can see the tiny red spot on the wall, but can you see the path in which the red light of the laser travels? No, we cannot see that. So let's make an arrangement to observe the path of light. Take the dhoop batti and place it on a table or any flat surface. Now light the dhoop batti using a matchbox. Be careful with the matchbox and the matchstick. You can also take the help of an adult for this. Blow off the flame after a few seconds. Can you see the smoke coming out from the dhoop batti? Now again, switch on the laser light and project it through the smoke. Can you see the path in which the light of the laser is traveling? What kind of path do you think the light travels in? When we initially switched on the laser light, we were not able to see its path as the air particles are too small to scatter the light of the laser. But when we passed the light through smoke, it got scattered in different directions after hitting the bigger particles of the smoke. Due to this, we were able to see the path of light. Light travels in a straight line. Visualize science with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.